Here, a 5-room flat for sale right at the 692B Choa Chu Kang Crescent. That's only within 5 minutes walk to Yew Tee MRT station right over on this side over here. And then this unit for sale is on level 3 right here on a point block right down here, level 3. Let's go on and take a look now. We have here a very long and spacious living and dining area right here. Moving on to the balcony and the window, you can have a look at the greenery view. Just unblocked, quiet and peaceful. You can easily fit a 3-seater sofa. And moving on, you have a storeroom right over the entrance. Here, very good size for all the storage needs. And moving on to the dining area over here on the left, you can easily have a 6-seater dining table with chairs, no problem at all. And moving on to the kitchen, longish and wide kitchen with an attached bathroom right here. Here, you get to see a very good space of the dining and the living area combined together. And on the left here is where the 3 bedrooms are located, all similar facing towards the greenery views. Completely unblocked and quiet. These are the 2 common rooms, and moving on to the master bedroom here. The attached bathroom on the left over here, and moving in, similar, very spacious, easily fit a king or queen size bed and similar to greenery views with privacy. Talk to me today to learn more about this listing. If you need advice on your housing plans, I'll be glad to advise you further.